Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to enable Slack notifications. Missing important updates on Slack? In this video tutorial, I'll show you exactly how to turn on Slack notifications on both mobile and desktop, so you never miss a message again. Now let's start by following these steps together. Now on mobile, whether it's iOS or Android, go to the Slack app. You can download it via the Play Store or the App Store. Once you download it, open it and log in. Once you're logged in, click on the profile picture in the top right corner and then click on notifications. Here you're gonna turn on notify me on mobile here. Notify me replies on threads, notify me on mobile, and you can choose. Here you're gonna choose always, only when active, or never. We're going to choose always when I'm even when I'm active here and click on save. Now you can customize more settings like tap in sounds to choose notification tone, or you can use notification schedule to set quiet hours. Now on desktop, on the other hand, you're going to click on your profile picture, which is on the top right, and then go to preferences and select the notification options and choose to get alerts for all messages, mentions, and direct messages, and nothing. Set notification sound and enable desktop alerts or banners. Now with Slack notifications enabled, you'll always stay in the loop without needing to constantly check the app. You can also set keyword alerts and channel specific settings for even more control. And this was it for today's tutorial. If you liked this video and found this helpful, please like and subscribe, and feel free to leave a comment below the video if you have further more questions about this topic. Thanks for watching, and see you again in the next tutorial.